Lionel Santafe work engine, double dual motors, pulling beer cars. We got Pabst Blue Ribbon, Coles, Miller, and Hams beer, and they're going around delivering beer for New Year's Eve for everybody to celebrate. Everything's looking good. And for everybody that's watching these videos on TikTok, Instagram, and Facebook, as well as YouTube, if you could please subscribe to me at YouTube, Charlie's Trains, or Charlie's with apostrophe S, Trains, 9169. I appreciate it. Thank you. And have a great day, and I hope you're enjoying these videos. As you can tell, the towns are all lit up with the Christmas lights and stuff, getting ready for Christmas.